If you feel like your life has been unfair lately, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Sanika, and this video is for anyone who feels like they're trying a lot in life but still falling short. I'm going to share a small habit that I started in January 2025, not to fix my life but to survive it. 2024 was a very negative year for me. I kept telling myself that nothing good is happening. Everything I thought was negative. And I couldn't just pinpoint on one thing and say, this is the one good thing that happened with me and I'm happy about it. I tried so many things to improve my life. Workouts, couldn't stay consistent. Healthy eating stopped midway. Reading books also stopped for some reason. Every time I quit, I felt like a failure. I genuinely started to believe that good things were not meant for me. I stopped noticing the small joys in life. Around that time, I came across Atomic Habits, the book, and one line stayed with me. It said, big changes don't come from big motivation. It comes from small habits done consistently. Not drastic, not perfect, just small. That's when I realized maybe I don't need to fix everything at once. Maybe there is at least 5% positive that I can look forward to. So in January 2025, I did this once. Every week, I wrote one good thing that happened with me during the entire week and put it in this jar. This is the jar. This is not even a jar, it's a bottle, and I put all the notes for 2025. All the good things that happened with me are right here, and I'm very proud of myself for being so disciplined and consistent with this. It was very low effort and easy to do. Honestly, I'm very eager to read all of these today and see what all happy moments do I have to cherish and to relive. I know some of these memories, so I'm very eager to read it again. And I hope you guys also have something to look forward to for the next year. Sometimes I wrote something big that happened with me. Sometimes I wrote something that I just survived. But mostly I made sure that everything kind, everything happy, everything small that made my heart feel good should be included in the jar. So that when I read it, I feel good about myself. I feel good that this is how I have spent my year. That's it. One paper, one good thing, one week. I've realized something very important. Good things were always happening in life, but I was just being so hard on myself that I stopped noticing them. And so are you. This one habit is not going to change my life overnight or yours, but it changed the way I see myself or how I see my life. If for the first time I feel prepared to restart the things that I once quit. So I'm just going to move forward one step at a time. If you feel like you're behind in life, if you feel like everyone else is doing better than you, just remember, good things don't stop happening. We just stop noticing them. So please start this activity. It's a very simple and easy, low effort activity. You can start this from tomorrow, 2026, January, and see how it changes your life. You will start to feel better once you start putting those 1 or 2 notes, and you'll be like, oh, अच्छी चीजें हो रही है मेरे life में. I hope you feel that way. And if this video made you pause for even a second or made you feel a little lighter, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. And also share this video with someone who really needs this. Also, now that you're part of the Sana's Bestie Club, you have to give me one suggestion for a new activity. What is that one activity that you think I should do for 2026? I'm gonna read all of your comments. Thank you so much for being here.